Hello. Today I'm going to do something with Cropper.js that we can crop the image on a client side before we send it to server, because sometimes we don't need the big file sent to our server, so we need to have do it by client side, and that's it. That's what I need. So I will use a library from npm. It is Cropper.js, like you see, and we can go to the website demo that this library can do. Yeah, this is what this library can do. We have an image and we can adjust on cropping, and we can save what we have adjust like this. Okay, and I will implement it to my project, and I already wrote some code, and let me explain you my code. Here is my code. Firstly, we need to go to view or route. Okay, let's go to route first. I will explain that this is my home page. When the route is home page, I return a view welcome. Yes, and inside welcome I design some HTML, like you see. This is inside a form. I have input file type to choose or to select the file from my file explorer, and then my concept is I will after I crop the file, after I crop the image, I would to transfer what cropped image to this input file, and I should have it, and I hide it because I don't want it to display to user. So user for end user, they don't know what is inside. And okay, and one more is just a submit button. When we click save, it will post to this route by post, and it will post the file data through the form. Okay, so before I can use the Cropper.js, I will need to install it by we follow the documentation how to install it. This one, npm install. Okay, and I already installed it, and I have implemented into my app.js. You can see my header is already used app.js, so I can write something here. This is just I show you what my code, just for overview. It will not be detailed. So this code I will share in my website, so you can check video description and click the link and go to see it detail. You can if you need it, you can use it to test, or use it as an example, because this way is just my way. It's not mean other developer or you can you will follow this code. Yes, I believe that, because some developer have their own style with coding. So first let's go back to welcome page, and what is more, this will list the upload file and display. It will display upload file here, and we don't have it yet. And okay, and I forget to explain this one, because this one is very important, because to, because we will use this one to do the cropper, because after we check the documentation, okay, we need to init the cropper by call new class cropper, and we need an argument is image element. Okay, we need an image element, and so I have it follow what's the document, and we don't need just we just need keep it empty like this, because I don't have an image yet. I will implement like this when I select by this input, and I will write the JS code to append or to add the source file here, so image will be displayed and will init to the cropper. And so I will explain you. Yes, this one you can notice that my input is selected img. Yeah, selected img. With ID selected img, I can select it, and I have an event listener when this file when this input is changed. Firstly, I need to disable the button. It means this button cannot be changed because we not yet complete the cropping. Yes, and this line it just destroy the previous process if we already have clicked one time and we click the second time. The previously will be destroyed. Okay, and then I will, after the image input change, I will get the file and I will read the file, and when it read, I can get the content, and when I get the content of file, I can append it to the image source. This is the empty image element, like you see in here, ID image. Okay, yes, ID image. Okay, I put the img result here. So now it have the src, it have source to display the image, and then we call the cropper to init that image, and we will see the image with the tool like this. Okay, I will demo for you, and let me explain more a bit. Okay, this is the option. This is just an option of cropper. We can keep like this, or you can see more as you need of option in this document. Okay, and then after I init, I will need to open a button crop, because we need this button to finish when we done our adjustment. So this button it hidden. Yes, it is hidden, so we cannot see it, but when we select the file, it will display. Okay, I will explain you a lot. I think it enough. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, we choose I choose this image. Okay, and you can see it's already working with this one. When we move, the preview is also working, and I need to explain you with the preview. Okay, where is the preview? Yes, preview is here. Just an empty div HTML tag, and we put the class name is preview. And when we init, if we want a preview, we need to have a option we need to have an option and put the selector. I know it because in this website document, the value of this option, it should be element or string of selector. So I can use it by dot preview. It's mean we call it by class. Okay. Okay, it's working. So let me finish my crop. I crop like this, and when I click on crop, okay, yes, when I click this button, it will trigger to this one ID crop. I get selector from button ID, and when it click, I get the data from the Cropper canvas. It's mean this area, and the canvas itself, and it provide us the blob file, and we use this code to convert the blob file and transfer it to the hidden input that we already have it in here. I already explained previously. Yes, I will, and the code is already transferred to the Cropper.img, like you see here. Here we select input Cropper.img, and we assign the file from the transfer file. Okay, and we enable the submit button, mean that when we click this button, when we click this crop button, this is when we finish the crop, and it should be enable this, so we can click on save and submit the form. Okay, let me do it. Click it, yes, and I click save. If I change my mind, I already click, but I want to change my mind, I can do it again. Yes, the button disable again and finish. Okay, I save it. When I save it, we expect that it will okay, we need to track with the route. The route is go to upload crop, and we check the route. Yes, upload crop. It should be go to controller, but I don't have controller yet. I use this way. This is the callback function, and I add request validation, use Cropper.img. This is the file type, and this is the file size, and I check if have this input has the file. I use this some code to store it to my storage and inside this folder. So we expect to see inside this public, we will see the folder user and see upload image here. Okay, let me do it by click on save. Okay, the image we get image to display already work, and so it means this one is have. Okay, so we add some more file. Okay. This is because of our file is big. Okay, we can do like this. Zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, you can try and crop and save. So we have two files, and we add more and more. It's still working. So for today, I just want to show you that's what I already explained. It's just this way to crop an image before we send it to server. It's mean when I get file in my controller, it's already cropped as this size, so it's smaller, and it's applicable for our server. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have some question, you can drop in comment, and this is just my way. Yes, you can use your way too. Thank you.